Hi friends, this is Chacha Coder and I am back again with another video. So today we are gonna solve another problem. So yeah, let's quickly jump into the problem statement. Yesterday we solved this group anagrams problem. Today we are gonna solve top k frequent elements. So yeah, let's read it. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements within the array. The test cases are generated such that the answer is always unique. Okay, you may return the output in any order. Okay, so like the array is 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3 k equals to 2. We get 2 and 3. Okay, so like now I do understand the problem. So like we have to return the most frequent occurring elements. So over here 3 comes at the top, like it's coming 3 times, then 2 is coming twice, so like we have to return top 2 frequent uh, elements. So it's 3 and 2. Okay, got it. In this case 7 occurs twice and we have to return one element, so obviously it's 7 only. Let's see constraints. This is normal, this is normal. K is greater than 1. Okay, number of distinct elements in nums. Okay, nice. This somehow looks like a good uh, help like in driving the solution. So yeah, let's think of a solution. So based on pattern, uh, uh, we are using hash maps quite a lot since the topic itself is array and hashing. So I guess if so like now I'm thinking like this: if I have frequency of every number, like 1 comma 2 comma 2, I have dictionary such as dictionary char 1 occurring 1, 2 occurring twice, 3 occurring thrice, let's say 4 occurring thrice as well, and then I have k equals to 2. So my answer will be result will be this 3 comma 4 or 4 comma 3, it does not matter. It says the order does not matter. So yeah, okay. So let's say we have an array. Let's name it one, where we tell how many times a number is occurring. Oh, we already did over here. Okay. So these are the numbers and these are the frequency basically. Okay, and then we want top 2, 3, n frequencies. Okay. So now I'm kind of thinking we already have this dictionary, in which this is a number and this is the frequency. What if we create an dictionary of list, which will have, like, the structure will be like frequency and list of numbers, number 1, number 2, and like that. So for example, in this particular scenario 1 comma 2 comma 3, we will have 1 as 1 only, then for 2 we will have 2, for 3 we will have 3 comma 4. So these are now the frequencies and these are the elements which have same frequency. In future it could be not like, for more test cases it could be 5 comma 6 comma 7, or like let's say 5 6 only. So yeah, and if we get this, now the problem statement is how I'm gonna find. So like dictionary is not ordered. I cannot order on a dictionary and know like it will be in this particular order only, 1 2 3 4. It could be anything, like like it's not a fixed ordering. I can't rely on that and it won't be a good solution as well. So like if I have k equals to 2 means I have to get top two frequent occurring elements, in which the answer will be 4. What if I create an array? I don't know it's a good solution or not. If I carry in reverse order, like sorted, so like in descending order, so it will be 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. So I will be looking at top. Let's say it. This is the scenario. So in this scenario, if I have to return or the k is 4. Awesome. So now I have to return top 4 occurring elements. So then I'll first go into this and see how many elements do I have. I have 2. I'll subtract 2. Then I have to return 2 more elements. Then I'll go into 3 and then see there are 2 more elements. Then I'll subtract 2 as well, and we will return 5 comma 6 as well. Okay, like the approach looks fine to me. It's not optimized, but this is the first solution. I won't say it's a brute force approach or not, but this is the first solution that's coming up to my head. And obviously it's not a brute force approach. Brute force approach might look a lot ugly in this statement, but yeah, this is a good problem statement to solve. So let's quickly write the code for it. Let's name 2 dictionaries. Sorry, I'm bad at naming dictionaries. And 2, and this gonna be a default dictionary of list. In my last video I told you guys about it. So yeah, then we are gonna create this dictionary in which this is number and how many, the frequency basically. So num in nums, I'll be doing dictionary 1 of num equals to dictionary 1, sorry, get, not a get, num comma, sorry, 0 plus 1. So this will construct our this dictionary, which is number and its frequency. Now since we have this, now we are gonna create this dictionary from this dictionary. Okay, let's iterate on it for num comma frequency. Let's name the variable like clearly. In dictionary 1 dot items, and we are gonna create dictionary 2 frequency. Yeah, obviously, like in this scenario the key will be frequency dot append this number. So we are gonna get these type of arrays in this particular dictionary, and now we need an array of frequencies. So let's say array of let's give a good name, reverse sorted array of frequency. Okay, such a bad naming. Yeah, so this will be dictionary 2 dot values, and we have to like change it to list, because if I remember correctly it does return some different type, like dict underscore values kind of data type. So we have to convert it to list, and then we are gonna sort it in reverse. So now we have this particular dictionary, and now we have to iterate on this. Okay, so let's say while k is greater than 0, or If we go, mm, 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 uh, yeah, like I'm thinking of a loop because I'm thinking now. Let me speak it out loud. I'm thinking there might be a scenario where, for example, in this particular case only, if we had three, so for the first value we might get 5 and 6, but as soon as now we want one value, and then we go to this third value and we get basically two values, so we can't return those two because we have to return top three, not four. So okay, but the answer is always unique. Okay, I don't like, I can't understand whether should I handle this or not, but I can definitely add a check for it. So let's take an normal I. K is greater than 0, like we will be subtracting k. Let me write it as well. And we will be plusing the I. Works. I could have used for loop as well, but no worries. We are not optimizing right now. We are basically solving the question and see if this approach is good or not. So now the great question. Why is there some indentation? Okay, what was this? I don't know. I don't know what happened. So yeah, let's say output array, and let's name. We are taking way too many variables. It's not a good approach. But again, as we all are learning, we will definitely get a good solution in under solution section. But let's first try on our end. So like now I want is this particular thingy. So like I'll get 5 and 6. Uh, for that I'll do reverse sorted array frequency array of frequency and get the value I, which means I of 0, and I of 0 holds 5 and 6. I'll get this temporary array, and what I can do, I would put it into output array. Obviously I could have used one variable. I don't know why I used this temp array. What is this? Yeah, so output array plus temp array if len of output underscore array equals to k. Oh, sorry, equals to k. We are gonna return output array perfection. If it says, but we are subtracting it, so it won't reach this value. Let's first remove this particular condition. I'm not so sure about it. Maybe I am over optimizing it. And return from here. Return output array. Oh yeah, I did not remove these things. I don't know if it will fail or not. Why is taking so much time? What? 504? Why am I getting a 504? Is there some kind of a bug in? Let's submit this. Is NeetCode facing some bug? I guess they are facing some bugs because obviously this is a solution that we yesterday solved. submitted, and it's not running. Okay, there's some error on their end, so I don't know. It's definitely on my side. If I see fast.com, I am getting a good speed. So yeah. Okay, I think this should solve, but I am still not sure of that particular thing which I mentioned. Let's now quickly see the solutions. Okay, sorting to find we need to know how often each number occur. Once we count frequencies, we can sort the unique number based on how many times occur. Okay, kind of looks like my solution. Uh, Created a count dictionary. Okay, and in second place they created an array which contain basically this is frequency and the number. Okay, they sorted that out. So what they did in this solution is why I can't go down. Yeah, so this particular array, this array will look like something like this. Like the structure will be frequency comma num, and for example it will be 4 was how many times 3, like 3 frequencies, let's say it gives 3 comma 4 comma 6 5, and for 2 frequency it gives I don't know. Okay, let's play it. We might see what's happening. Okay, they created this array. Yeah, 3 of 1, 2 of 2, 1 of 3. Okay, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2. Okay, yeah, got it. So like I hope you guys also understood. So like 1 was occurring thrice. They counted basically the dictionary that we did over here. Then they created, instead we created this particular dictionary, they directly created an array with frequency and its number. So it's 3 comma 1 frequency number, 2 comma 2, and 1 comma 3. So like this is the particular array. Okay. And they basically sorted it out. Okay, let's see how that sorting goes. They sorted it out. It becomes like this: 1 2 3, and they are basically popping it out in the first element. Okay, so like they are removing this bucket and then they are popping it out. Okay, nice. Min heap, very nice concept. What they are doing, they're creating a heap. Okay, heap push. Okay, kind of similar thing. This is as well. Okay, kind of a similar thing. Okay, bucket sort. Yeah, okay, yeah. Like now I kind of remembered this as a bucket sort. I kind of just said as well, like it looked like a bucket to me. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, let's see the solution. Let's quickly see the solution. Okay, they created basically an empty array with empty array, and obviously as I told that k cannot be greater than number of distinct elements in nums. So obviously it cannot be greater than the length of nums. So yeah, okay, empty frequencies, created a dictionary. Okay, they okay, in this particular solution we also created this particular dictionary. Nice. And in the resulting array they used array, we also used array, but I sorted it out. Okay, what they did, they Okay, so they took this empty array and used it. I sorted it out. Hmm. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is what I was talking about as well. So yeah, we are kind of near this solution, this particular solution, bucket sort, but I kind of sorted it out, which is not necessary. We can do without that as well. Uh, Basically, let's play it. So I'll explain it again. So this is the empty array that they created, and so if there's a occurrence of, let's say, the frequency is 3, some numbers occurs 3 times, so they will be placing those numbers over here. Yeah, 3 I have 1, 2 I have 2, 1 have 3. Then basically, yeah, going from back, then this will be popped out here, resulting as 1, then 2. Awesome. Nice. I don't know if this is working. Why is not the solution? Maybe some API or some service is broken. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, nice. So yeah, that's for it. I guess it's a long video, but I would say it's a necessary video. This was a very good problem. I would revise this problem after a while, definitely. And yeah, I'll also try when NeetCode is up and I can basically submit my solution. Let me try again before clearing this video. If not, then I'm gonna use some Python compiler online. I don't think so it's working. Python compiler. Yeah, I do use this frequently. Let's do this. Let's paste it here. I just basically want to see whether my solution works or not. I'll print output array, and for nums I'll pass what was the given. Let's try with this. K equals 2 2. Let's run it. Okay, default dict is not defined. Now you guys are gonna see from where we get default dict. Perfect. Yeah, it does return 2, 3, not in the order this is showing, but yeah, the order is also not necessary, so I did not focus on that as well. Let's give it a, let's say 4, 4, 4, and if I now say I guess that won't occur, but let's see. 3, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, we do have to do this. Obviously we can't subtract it, k, and use it. We have to use for loop over here so that we can preserve the value of k, but and also use it. Or we can again, for a bad solution, we can do some variable j which equals to k and use that j for comparison. Okay, nice. This was a long and good video. So see you guys in my next videos. Till then, have a great day, and yeah, keep solving. Bye bye.